Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Thursday, July 11, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar weighted put call ratio, the VIX, we have a huge bullish readings on July, August, and September with 41, 21, and 29% of the total premiums paid. Overall, dollar weighted put call ratio is bullish here. Going to the charts, huge day today, up 22.4 handles for the day after Bernanke's comments last afternoon. And well, you can see here this huge bounce here. We have a new closing all-time high for SPX, but not an intraday all-time high. Next target from here, we're probably going to test this 1687 high, and we'll see if we're gonna be able to break above that level and go to 1700 in case we break it. So that's what I'm looking so far from here. For the Qs, huge day for the Qs also. 2% up, closing at 75 basically. Previous high here was 74.95, so we are above that level here. New high for the Qs on the year. Very interesting. We'll see if tomorrow we have huge volume today, as you can see here. So it looks like we are continue to go higher. But we've come so very quickly here. So maybe due for a pullback. You know where that's the camp I'm on. IWM up half today also. 1.2%, new all-time high here again for the Russell. And but again, this one did not have the big volume today. GLD up nicely today. We were looking for an entry around the 124 level. Yesterday we talked about that around 125. We got in today short, and today it's up 2.72. So nice bounce here. I believe we're going lower. We wanted to see a bounce here before entering for lower prices, and that's basically what we're seeing here. So our target from here is 118 on GLD. For SLV, here we have the daily chart for SLV, up 5.5% for the day, looking at 19.5. You know, I would be willing to get short around 20 to 21. And we already talked about I prefer to be short gold than silver at these levels. And that's what we've been doing here so far. But short term, maybe get a bounce to 20, but I'm bearish here on SLV. Going to the stocks, here we have the daily chart for Apple. Up 1.5%, 427. Looking for this 50-day moving average of 433 as the next target on the upside. We'll see how we handle those levels. Google up 157. 920 is the level we've been looking here. Very interesting here. Looks like we're going to come and test this. We are above this all-time high here, so that's important here in Google. High for Google was 920.6. Today's high was 920.8, so we're making a new all-time high on Google. I'm bullish. I believe it's gonna go higher. Netflix had kind of a mixed day today. We were down a couple of times in the day and closing basically flat. I would get bullish on Netflix above the 448. Tomorrow we have JP Morgan earnings coming out in the morning. I'm bearish here for JP Morgan on their number. I talked about that yesterday. I'm looking for 52. Well, this big day today. Looking maybe for 53. That's a big move here so far. But that I'm looking for a miss tomorrow on the bank. Wells Fargo tomorrow morning also. We were down today in Wells Fargo, which is interesting. And I'm basically bearish on most of the banks for their EPS. So that's what I'm watching here for tomorrow.